Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your VIVO X300. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. So, if you guys got the case and it's covering even a tiny part of the screen, then it can already be understood that someone's touching it. So as you guys can see, now my finger is touching it and I cannot move this finger around the screen. Now I was holding this finger for too long, but as you guys can see, I cannot use this finger here. So this is what can it do, and if that's the case, then you guys can try remove it and see if that works. Now for a screen protector, if it's poorly applied or it's just a poor quality one, then that's already an issue, and I would recommend you guys removing it and getting a new one, which is definitely better quality and everything else. Now what you guys can do is grab your microfiber cloth and clean the screen with it. So here we have the microfiber cloth. Let's give it a few scrubs and our screen should be beautiful and shiny. So after cleaning our screen, what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now switch to the volume down button. You will see that it basically mutes your phone, and we need to hold it for at least 10 seconds to force restart the device. As you guys can see, the screen went black, and after we see the Vivo 5G, we can let go of the keys right here. So now all we have to do is wait, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the forced restart, as you guys can see, our phone turned on, and I'll enter the password now. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any glitches. So go to the settings and swipe all the way down until you guys see system update. Here it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I already have the latest system version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, as it's very important to keep track with your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.